Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel Pharma Tricks for Exams. And in this video we will see the drugs which are using for the asthma. Asthma is also called as a bronchospasm and it is also called as a mucosal edema. Mucus means the mucus will be secreted in the excess quantity of mucus released in the asthma, and this excess mucus looks like a swelling. It's nothing but edema means a swelling, so mucosal edema. So don't get confusion in the examination. See, I have divided my paper into two columns. In one this is column 1, this is column 2. In column 1 I have explained how asthma is developed. What are the various steps involved in the development of asthma? And in this column I have mentioned all the medicines, all the medications using for the treatment of asthma and how it acts. In which step we can avoid the asthma. Like that I have divided. Let's start. See here, antigen exposure. See, asthma, you keep in your mind, it is just like an antigen. It's just like an infection. You keep in your mind. Antigen antibody reaction will be there in our body. So keep in your mind, asthma means just like an infection. So antigen exposure. First time antigen will be exposed to the lungs, okay? And our body synthesized the IgE, immunoglobulin E. This is called as an antibody. Antigen and antibody. This is also important. Which antibody is secreted in the asthma? E. Immunoglobulin E. Okay. Next, after the synthesis of antibody, see here antigen is there. Antibody is synthesized during the first exposure itself. You keep in your mind. First exposure, antibody will be created in our body. Next, mast cells will get sensitized. These mast cells are present in the lungs. Keep in your mind, okay? Mast cells are present in the lungs, and it looks like this. See here a small cell which consists of a granules, okay? These get just sensitize, okay? And when there is a re-exposure, that is second time same antigen will expose, then only there is a antigen antibody reaction will occur. Until then only antibody will be created in the body, okay? There is no antigen, there is no antibody reaction for the first time exposure, okay? So second time antigen antibody reaction happens, and this leads to degradation of mast cells, degranulation. See here, degranulation of mast cells. All the granules which are present inside the mast cell will come outside, and this releases the various mediators. See here, all the granules consist of mediators. All these mediators also important in the exam. LTS, leukotrienes, and PGs. These two collectively called as LOX, LOX, okay? PG, prostaglandins, LTs, leukotrienes, and PAF, platelet activation factor, H, histamine, TNF, tumor necrosis factor, alpha, TNF alpha. All these factors or mediators will be released, and finally it may lead to a asthma. And asthma, inflammation will be there. Inflammation, that means a swelling. I already told mucus will be secreted in excess quantity. It looks like a edema, and it causes a inflammation of all the aerial roots like a bronchi, bronchus, bronchiolus. Excess mucus will be there, okay? It may lead to inflammation, so that air will not pass freely into the lungs, so that there is no oxygen supply, and the patient will feel very discomfort, okay? And constriction of all the tubes, bronchi, bronchial tubes, all will be constricted because of the mucus formation, okay? And now we will see the various medication and where it stops. See here, omalizumab, it is a first medicine. Omalizumab. Keep in your, all the names are very difficult to remember. That's why I am giving a tricks here. Omalizumab. Omali. See here, Om. I mentioned here Om. I draw the diagram. Om. Mali. Just like a mala. See here, mala with Om. Omalizumab. So asthma treatment, we are starting with the Om. Keep in your mind. Okay. Next is, so what Omalizumab will do? See here, same color I used. Okay, green color. Omalizum. If you pray Omalizum, Om like that, or if you wear this mala, so that your body will not synthesize immunoglobulin. Okay, so antibodies will not be developed. So entire sequence will be stopped. Even though antigen exposure, our body will not synthesize the immunoglobulin E like that. Okay, all the immunoglobulin E, developed immunoglobulin E, will be destroyed by the Omalizumab. Either it is a destroyed or will not develop the antibodies. Next is hydrocortisone, prednisone. See the reading. Okay, I used here all the reading. Okay, prednisone, hydrocortisone, prednisone. See here, HP, sun, SON, sun. So HP sun. These are all acts by a systemically it acts. Okay, keep in your mind. All these are the cortisones. Name itself indicate corticosteroids, corticosteroids like that. You can keep in your mind. Cortisone. Okay, HP sun. These are acts systemically, through the systemic circulation it acts. Next, beclomethasone, budesonide, fluticasone, flunisolide. Okay, these are acts locally. This is very important. They will ask in the exam either which is a systemically active, which is a locally active, like that they will ask in the examination compulsory. Okay, see here, beclomethasone. Here also sun is there, but not HP sun. Okay, not HP sun. And budesonide. See here, budesonide, bud. See here, bud. Just like a Krishna, Lord Sun. Here sun is a Krishna, sun is a Krishna. Bud, this is a bud. Just like a feather, peacock feather. And fluticasone, flute. See here, fluticasone, fluticasone. And flunisolide. See here, flu is a liquid, solid, solid. So flu in asthma converted into solid, so that asthma will be reduced. Flunisolid. These acts locally. Okay. Next is mast cell stabilizers. Mast cell. See here, we know that the mast cells, what is the mechanism of action? Mast cells. This mast cell, it stabilizes the it avoids the degranulation of the mast cells. So granules will not be come out. Okay, so that what happens? So entire sequence will be stopped. Mast cell. So here, mast cell stabilizer, sodium chromoglycate and necromal, ketotifen. So I gave the code color tifen. Chrome means color. Okay, chrome means color. Tifen, ketotifen. Color tifen, you can be remember. So it stabilizes the mast cells. Next is LOX inhibitors. What are this LOX? I have already mentioned here LOX. This LOX inhibitors, LT1 receptor antagonists also. These are also called as a LT1 receptor antagonists or LOX. I have already mentioned what is LOX. Okay, and main drugs are montelukast, zafirlukast. Okay, mountain. Zafirlukast. Leucast means this is just a leucast structure. So mount with a B or leucast. Zafirlukast. Zafir means just a person name having a Ja. Fir, he went to mountain. That's why it is called a Jaffir mountain. Monteleucast, Jaffir-Leucast. Next. So these avoid actually, and beta sympathomimetics. These are the first line drugs. Okay, immediately first you have to give these medicines. Beta to sympathomimetics, highly preferable drugs. See here, salbutamol, salmeterol. This is a long acting. This is also important. Short acting, long acting. Bombuterol, salbutamol, but you can keep in your mind, but met. Okay, short acting, long acting. Bombuterol metabolite convert into terbutaline. This is also important. In the exam they will ask which is the metabolite product of a bombuterol. Terbutaline. It is a short acting. It is a long acting. And ephedra. And these are all sympathomimetic. These are all parasympathetic blockers. Both are same. Parasympathetic blocks. Here sympathetic mimetic. M3 muscarinic 3 receptor blockers. Anticholinergic drugs. Okay. Bromide. Ipratropium bromide, tiotropium bromide. This directly avoids the asthma, constriction of the tubes, inflammation. All these will be avoided by using all these drugs. And salbutamol very widely popularly used as an inhaler. Keep in your mind. It is a short acting. Salbutamol short acting. Salmeterol long acting. Yeah, next. And a very important drug is theophylline. See here, theophylline, aminophylline, doxophylline, and roflumilast, flu-last. Okay, because asthma consists of a flu, just like a flu, and it will be lost. Roflumilast. Doxophylline. Phylline you have to give, just like a files. Theophyle, aminophyle, doxophyle. File we are using to keep the certificates, no, like that you can remember. All these will avoid the conversion of CAMP, cyclic AMP it is called as a, but I am shortcutly CAMP I am calling as. It avoids the conversion or degradation of a CAMP degradation. This is a very very important, because CAMP, see here I drawn a lungs in a camp shape, just like a Dera Baba, Dera. See here Dera, fire camp, cyclic AMP, camp means fire. So camp always, camp is better for lungs, keep in your mind, camp is better for lungs. Okay, so that all these drugs avoids the degradation of camp. So always there will be camp maintained will be by these drugs. Okay, and ATP is converted into cyclic AMP, and these are all called as a methylxanthines, naturally occurring. This is also important. Which of the medicine we are using for the treatment of asthma? Natural medicine, like that they will ask. Theophylline is a naturally occurred. So all these decreases the degradation of camp and increases the cellular. And there is a two types of asthma, and sometimes they will ask in the exam which is the first line and which is second line, like that, or acute asthma, which is preferable. Acute asthma means a short time you have to treat with beta sympathomimetic, like a first line drugs. Okay, and chronic asthma you used a inhaled corticosteroids, not systemic. Inhaled corticosteroids you have to use, so that you can avoid the chronic asthma. And if you want to see all my videos, okay, first you subscribe. After the subscription, you go to your subscriptions. Okay, so that there you can find my pharma tricks for exams, like that. You will get my icon. Okay, that icon you in that you go to playlists. Okay, and you find all my videos subject wise. Okay, and if you press a bell icon, you will get all my updates. And thank you very much for it.